Good medical morning. Today, on Bizarre Medical, we're going to look at the world's largest female bodybuilder. Comment below if we should focus on more people like this. Nataliya started her powerlifting career at the tender age of 14, weighing merely 90 pounds. As a young Russian teen, she wanted to be big and strong, so she started training combat sports and powerlifting. She claims that even though she uses performance enhancers for the competitive edge, she is strong even without them, and that she must maintain a strict diet in order to maintain her hulking mass of 216 pounds. Now, being a grown 25-year-old woman, she is an amateur bodybuilding champion and a powerlifting record holder. She benches 375 pounds and deadlifts 530. She holds many championship titles both in powerlifting, arm wrestling, and in bodybuilding. Here are a few examples. Two-time Baikal Grand Prix winner, WPC bench press and deadlifting champion of Europe, GPA bench press and deadlifting champion of Eurasia, and 2014 Arm Wrestling Cup champion. Along with being terrifyingly huge and strong, she also does some webcam modeling. Her size and strength gained her the nickname of Russian Amazon and the most muscular woman on the planet. Rightfully so, because her stats are incredible. Her biceps measure in at 18.5 inches, her waist clocks in at 30 inches, and those thunder thighs measure in at 28.3 inches. All on that tiny frame of merely 5 foot 6 inches. Amazing.
You're killing me! Seriously! My double bicep is not loyal next to yours. The biggest female bodybuilder I know, and probably one of the strongest ever.
Well, there you go. Click like for some serious muscle power, and don't forget to subscribe. We have new content all the time. Thanks for watching. Bodybuilders take protein to build muscle, and people take vitamin C to help prevent colds. Your brain is the most complex structure in the body, but it is probably lacking specific nutrients it needs to perform at its best. Brain Gains gives you those essential nutrients and helps with memory and focus. It's an advanced multivitamin designed to support healthy cognitive ability. Check out the Amazon link below and try Brain Gains for yourself. It will boost your energy, clear out the fog, and help your memory.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
And I'm Michelle. Today we'd like to tell you about Meta7
Meta7 will help you activate your life
and get you where you need to be and through the day.
Check it out.
There's a link in the description below.